It's that time of year, and it's when the weather it's cold outside, and we all need something to warm us up on those cold, chilly days. One of my favorite warm drink is apple cider. I'm gonna show you how I do it Liz Magic way, how I put my spin on it, and let's jump into it. Right over here, I have my cinnamon sticks, cinnamon leaves, my bay leaves, and my cloves. I don't like to put a lot of cloves in my apple cider. I'm more like the cinnamon taste. So I'll put more cinnamon instead of clove. Just a little clove, that's enough. And then right here, I have my apples and oranges. I have some golden delicious apple right there and gala apple. These apples, they're sweet, and that is why they're good to make apple cider, because they're the natural sweetness, you want that, and these are the sweet apples that bring out that flavor that you want in your apple cider. You can use gala, golden delicious, and then my oranges I'm gonna add to it. I'm also gonna add copper dark sugar. Start off with a cup, but as I progress in the cooking of the apple cider, I might add more to it. I'm going to show you as I go along how I add and when I add if I need more. I'm going to use 10 cups of water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut up my apples and oranges, and then I'll show you guys where we go from there. Here I have the 10 cups of water in the pot, and I can show you guys. I slice up my apples there, and I take out the core. You can cut your apple any which way you like it. I choose to slice it up this way, and I also slice my oranges. There's my oranges all sliced up in there, and I'm gonna add this to the water in my pot. So here I go, my apples that I slice up, and I add it to the water. And my cinnamon leaves, my cinnamon sticks, my cloves, I'm gonna add it to it also. Another thing you can do with the cloves, but I didn't do it this time. Sometimes I do it. I take the cloves and I would just tuck it into the apple, so the cloves will stay in the apple and they won't be all over your cider. But because I'm going to strain this, it's not a big deal. So, but if you choose to, you could do it like this. Insert the cloves into the skin of your apple. It's your choice if you want to do it like that. So now I'm going to add the cloves, cinnamon sticks, and cinnamon leaves and bay leaf. I'm going to add them. There you go. I'm also going to add my 1 cup of sugar. And as I said, this I only put 1 cup in for now. Halfway through the cooking, I'm going to let this cook for an hour. But halfway through, I'm going to check in. And if it wants more sugar, because the apple is sweet, so you're going to get the sweetness from the apple also. So what more, I'll add it as I go. So there, I'm going to cover it up, and we're going to check in back halfway through, and we'll see how it's going. All right, it's half an hour since the apple cider been cooking, so I'm just checking in. There you see, guys, it's all bubbling up in there. I'm gonna do a little taste test, because I like to test it this time around half an hour, just to see how sweet it is, if I need to add any more sugar. Yeah, I am gonna add some more sugar, but I'm gonna tell you this, guys. At this time, it's up to you. Some people like their apple cider sweet. Some people like not too sweet. I like mine to be sweet. So I'm gonna add 1 more cup of sugar. At the beginning, I add 1 cup. So now I'm gonna put 1 more cup of sugar in there because I like my apple cider to be sweet. So I'm gonna let it cook for half more hour, and by then it should be ready for me to enjoy a nice cup warm apple cider. And you know what I love about making apple cider at home? The aroma you get from the cinnamon, the cloves, it just spicy up your house. If you're having visitor coming over, this is a nice way to greet them. That smell when you enter a home. So cover it up, let it finish up for half more hour. You see there? Bubbling, bubbling. Okay, we're at the end point, and as I said, this is Lizmagic. Welcome, welcome. For those who are new to my channel, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to press the subscribe button. And for my usual and faithful people, thank you for always being there, supporting me, giving me the thumbs up. You guys also tell it to your friends, tell it to your family. Your girl Lizmagic, showing you how to make apple cider. There we go, guys. As you can see, it's finished. So I'm just going to turn the stove off. And ready to drink a cup. Nice, warm apple cider. All you need is a strainer, and you just strain it off and you drink. You can put it in the fridge, and you can chill it and also drink it chilled. Warm, chill, whichever way you like it. Apple cider is always nice having, especially this time of the year. So for me right now, I'm just gonna have a nice cup. And as I say again, your girl Lizmagic, doing it and doing it and doing it her way. Bing, just like magic.